I'm going downtown today and we're gonna go yarn dyeing. I'm bringing this bag with me, and in this bag I have my Haru vest, which I am knitting, and then I also have my Cumulus blouse in here too, just in case I want to change it up, because after and before yarn dyeing we're gonna do a little bit of knitting together. And yeah, I think it'll be a lot of fun. My cat keeps crying because he wants to come in. He can hear me in the room, so he's like, why am I not in here with you? Also, I am wearing the Marie skirt, which I finished last week on the bottom, so let me just show you. Here's the Marie skirt that I am wearing with just a black top, and here's my bag with my knits, and yeah. Okay, let's go.
Oh, I'm knitting a vest.
Oh,
Wow. So it's just a...
Oh, it's gorgeous. I am a knitter.
Nice meeting you. So for this part of the video, I'm just going to voice over it because you're gonna be watching me yarn dyeing with very little context to what's going on. So yep, hope you like voiceover Cindy. So here we just made it to the workshop and we are unraveling the yarn from the hank so that we could put it into the little tray and soak it so that it's ready to be dyed. We're just soaking it in a little bit of vinegar and soap and really hot water from the tap. So here you can see that we each have 2 hanks of yarn. You can choose from 3 different bases, and I chose superwash merino for both, and it's fingering weight. As we are waiting for the yarn to soak, we are just getting some dye ready so that we can dye the community hank. And what that is before we dye our own hanks, we're going to practice with making colors to dye a section of this community hank. So you can see all the colors are very fun because we all put our own little personal twist on it. This is Tar's beautiful teal. She dyed it a lovely dark teal color. Now we're learning how to put on speckles on top. And while that was setting, we are now putting together dye to dye our own hanks. Here you can see that I'm adding some sage and a little bit of green to the mix. I didn't really have a game plan or anything going into this. Even if I had a game plan, I don't think I would have followed it because I'm just too indecisive. Like, I change my mind every second, so it was better for me to just do whatever I wanted at that moment. Oh, and that's Tar. She's so cute. Oh god, this looks really dark. I'm a little scared.
Wait, but Tark was really dark.
I know, I feel like I'm...
But like literally a dot.
And then I tried a few
Oh.
I think that's
I actually put a dye.
Oh my god, just do a dot. Just do the dot.
Will it even... Oh yeah, there we go. It's like, will it even go in?
I believe in its ability to go in.
So this is my very first mix, and it's a mix of sage, trilly green, and charcoal. It was a little bit more blue than I had wanted it to be. I was really surprised how blue the sage came out.
It's too blue. That sage green, or like the sage night green, just sage, is like very blue. Yeah.
I need to add more like dark green.
Agreed. I was really gonna do the exact same thing.
Okay. Oh yeah, our colors are very similar right now.
We're like committed.
Overpowering on the sage. Sage was actually one of Tar's favorites too that day, so that was like a really popular one amongst us. And now we have this blue that I'm trying out. I believe it was denim blue. Just trying to make it a little bit more green here, and you can see it's still blue, but it's definitely a little bit more green. We're going in the right direction, but not exactly what I want. But it's okay because I still had a lot more of the yarn to dye, so I was not worried at all. It was really fun trying out all these different colors. Even just seeing the dye mix was so much fun for me. Now I am going to add yellow because I wanted more of that green to shine through, and I didn't really want that blue anymore, so I figured if I add yellow to blue it'll make green, right? So yeah, that was my genius idea. Actually though, it didn't turn out that bad. I really like how that green turned out with a little bit of yellow. And to end it off, I added a little bit of gray, but as you can see here, I was a little worried about my water level.
I think yours was water. Oh no. What do you think about my water?
Too much?
For what do you want to do next?
I think I'm pretty much done with this side, and then
Oh, you still have to do the other side?
Yeah.
Then yeah, I would dump it out. Not really, because it's gonna hit the water and spread before hitting the the yarn.
Okay.
So we'll just
Like you came straight away. You're so
So that was Mariah from Good Grief, and she was running the whole show, teaching us how to dye yarn and everything. And yeah, she helped me out with my water situation. We dumped it out, and now we're starting again on the other side. So we have to flip the hank. Oh my god, I'm about to spill everything. Good thing I didn't. Look at that, I won the community hank. There were 2 hanks, and they randomly chose 2 winners from the group to take it home, and I luckily got one of them. I got the cotton merino. Here we're putting in the speckles to top it all off. Kind of looks like poppy seeds to me, honestly, and they're ready to go into the oven. That's how it came out. It's still wet in here, but it's in hank form to take home. This is how our workspace looked. It was a really, really fun experience.
They know everybody in their neighborhood. Everybody like knows each other.
When I was in Osaka too, like I remember I was just like getting sushi and they were like,
Tara's so kind. She got me stitch markers. I chose this one. It's so cute.
it kind of
It's
matches
pink.
us, low-key.
Oh yeah, that one's really, really
Kinda
pretty.
matching it.
And the other one's really pretty too. Like all of these. Purple,
I just
blue.
this guy just like stands out so much. You know what?
Yeah,
It makes
it's a big
sense though, because this is like the beginning of round and these are thinner. Because this is like that makes
Oh, is that why? Did it come in a set?
sense. Yeah, it was a set of 5.
Oh,
And for
no
$5,
wonder.
it was so affordable.
Wait, that's really good.
It was such a good price. I've never seen it, and I'm like, they're so cute. I grabbed right away. I lied, $10.
$10,
But
$2
still,
each.
like,
Oh my god, so
these are usually
cute.
$5 each.
Oh my god, I love it. I love
And
it.
then you can use them as both a stitch marker and a progress keeper because of how they are.
Ooh, they open up. I love it. Thank you.
Oh, you're getting my custy ass nails.
No, it's the proof that we went yarn dyeing. And it kind of matches with this too, like honestly.
Oh my god, girls be
And also,
girls.
like literally my nails like all flowers.
Oh my gosh. Oh. wait. Oh.
Yeah. That's the vibe.
It is. It really is. Girls.
Thanks, girl.
I'm so happy. Like, it was literally all worth it.
Hello. Don't mind me looking like a bum today because I'm just at home and yeah, I'm just wearing a t-shirt and sweatpants. So just ignore that, okay? But I wanted to show you guys the yarn because it's finally done drying. This is the first hank that I made. I am in love. Like, are you freaking kidding me? If I saw this in the store, 100% I'm buying it. I guess that's why I made it this color. But yeah, I'm in love. This looks so freaking pretty. In order to dry them, I just put them on a hanger like this. And I just put it on my shower curtain rod and I just hung it on there and it took about 2 days to dry. So let's put this one first into a hank. Actually, Mariah from Good Grief, who was running the whole session, she taught us how to do this. So you just want to separate them like this and then you just want to twist it. Just keep twisting it. And then you use your knee and you go, and it twists into a hank. Me telling you guys the trade secrets. I'm just kidding. I'm sure a lot of you guys probably know this, but I didn't know this, so this was new information to me. This is what I dyed, and it looks freaking gorgeous. If you can tell, there's a little bit of like this bluey green color, more green, and then I also added some grays over here. Gray over here as well. And now let's turn the other one. This is the community one. This is different because it's cotton merino, and you can kind of see how it dyed differently. It looks like hand spun yarn. Like you can clearly see the different plies in here because the merino and the cotton take the dye differently. So this one's super gorgeous. I'm going to share this actually with Tar because Tar went yarn dyeing with me, so I'm going to share half with her I'm gonna give her 50 grams and I'll take 50 grams. Here's the 3 hangs of yarn that I got from the yarn dyeing class, and I just feel so happy I got to go. I love the whole experience and I can't recommend it enough if you're in the area. This is going to be the end of the video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so happy you watched till the end, and I hope you guys like this vlog. I will be posting a lot more vlogs about crafty stuff, about my life, everything like that. I also post specifically knit vlogs where I bring you from like a ball of yarn to an actual finished product and wearing it outside. So if you're interested in those, definitely subscribe to my YouTube channel. But if you want more regular updates from me, definitely go follow me on Instagram. I post a lot more regular updates there, and I like to share with you guys what I'm kind of up to on the day-to-day. So check those both out. And yeah, that's kind of about it for this video. If you have any questions, leave it down below. I highly recommend you check this out if you're in the area or if you're able to. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye!